Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover list interface of Java collection framework. List allow duplicate elements and it maintains the insertion order. Using list interface method add, we could add an element at a particular index in the list where first parameter is the index number and second parameter is the value. Using add all method, we could add one list in another list at a particular index where first parameter is the index number and second parameter is the list. Using set method, we could replace a value at a particular index in the list where first parameter is the index number and second parameter is the value. Using remove method, we could remove an element at a particular index in the list. Using get method, we could get the value of a particular index in the list. Using index of method, we could know the index of a particular value in the list. Using last index of method, we could know the last index of a particular value in the list. There is a list specific iterator, list iterator, using which we could iterate the elements of a list. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.